The surprising origins of snooker balls. A comprehensive exploration. Snooker, a cue sport that has captivated millions around the world, is renowned for its precision, strategy, and the distinctive sound of balls colliding on the green base. While the game itself has a rich history, the origins of snooker balls are equally fascinating and often overlooked. This article delves into the surprising and intricate history of snooker balls, exploring their evolution from rudimentary beginnings to the high-tech, precision-engineered spheres used in professional play today. The early days. From wood to ivory. The birth of billiards. To understand the origins of snooker balls, we must first look at the history of billiards, the precursor to snooker. Billiards originated in the 15th century in Europe, initially as an outdoor lawn game similar to croquet. It eventually moved indoors, evolving into a table-based game played with balls and a cue. Early billiard balls were made from wood, typically boxwood or other hardwoods. These wooden balls were functional, but had significant limitations. They were prone to warping, cracking, and inconsistent performance due to variations in density and shape. As the game grew in popularity, the need for more durable and consistent balls became apparent. The Ivory era. By the 17th century, ivory had become the material of choice for billiard balls. Sourced from the tusks of elephants, ivory offered several advantages over wood. It was harder, more durable, and could be crafted into near-perfect spheres, providing a more consistent and predictable roll. The use of ivory balls marked a significant advancement in the game of billiards. However, it also had its drawbacks. Ivory was expensive, and the demand for billiard balls contributed to the hunting of elephants, raising ethical and environmental concerns. Additionally, ivory balls were not without their flaws. They could crack, chip, and were susceptible to changes in temperature and humidity, which affected their performance. The search for alternatives. As the 19th century progressed, the limitations of ivory became increasingly apparent. The high cost and ethical concerns surrounding the use of elephant tusks spurred the search for alternative materials. Inventors and manufacturers experimented with various substances, including celluloid, a type of early plastic, and other synthetic materials. However, these early attempts often fell short in terms of durability and performance. The advent of snooker. A new game, new balls. The invention of snooker. Snooker was invented in the late 19th century by British Army officers stationed in India. The game was a variation of billiards, incorporating additional colored balls and a more complex set of rules. The name snooker is believed to have originated from a slang term used to describe inexperienced cadets. As snooker gained popularity, the need for specialized balls became evident. The game required a set of 22 balls, 15 red balls, each worth 1 point, and 6 colored balls, yellow, green, brown, blue, pink, and black, with varying point values, plus the cue ball. This increased the complexity and precision required in ball manufacturing. The transition to synthetic materials. The early 20th century saw significant advancements in materials science, leading to the development of synthetic materials that could rival the performance of ivory. One of the most notable breakthroughs was the invention of Bakelite, the first fully synthetic plastic, in 1907 by Leo Bakelite. Bakelite was durable, heat-resistant, and could be molded into precise shapes, making it an ideal material for billiard and snooker balls. The introduction of Bakelite and other early plastics marked the beginning of the end for ivory balls. By the mid-20th century, synthetic materials had largely replaced ivory in the production of snooker balls, offering a more ethical and cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. Modern snooker balls. Precision engineering. The role of phenolic resin. Today, the majority of snooker balls are made from phenolic resin, a type of thermosetting plastic known for its exceptional durability, hardness, and resistance to wear and tear. Phenolic resin balls are manufactured through a highly precise process that involves molding the material under high pressure and temperature to create a dense, uniform sphere. The use of phenolic resin has revolutionized the game of snooker. These balls offer consistent performance, with minimal variation in weight, size, and bounce. They are also highly resistant to chipping, cracking, and other forms of damage, ensuring a long lifespan even under the rigors of professional play. The manufacturing process. The production of modern snooker balls is a complex and meticulous process that involves several stages. 1. Material selection. High-quality phenolic resin is selected for its superior properties, including hardness, density, and resistance to wear. 2. Molding. The resin is heated and injected into precision molds to form the balls. The molds are designed to create perfectly spherical shapes with consistent dimensions. 3. Curing. The molded balls are subjected to high pressure and temperature to cure the resin, resulting in a dense, durable material. 4. Polishing. The cured balls are polished to achieve a smooth, glossy finish. This step is crucial for ensuring consistent roll and reducing friction on the bays. 5. Quality control. Each ball undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets strict standards for weight, size, and roundness. Any balls that do not meet these standards are discarded. 6. Coloring and marking. The balls are dyed and marked with their respective colors and numbers. This is done using high-quality inks and coatings that are resistant to fading and wear. The importance of precision. Precision is paramount in the manufacture of snooker balls. Even the slightest deviation in weight, size, or roundness can affect the performance of the balls and, consequently, the outcome of the game. Professional snooker balls are manufactured to tolerances of within 0.01 millimeters in diameter and 0.1 grams in weight, ensuring a level of consistency that is essential for high-level play. The impact of technology, from handcrafting to automation. Early handcrafting techniques. In the early days of snooker, balls were crafted by hand, a labor-intensive process that required great skill and precision. Artisans would carve and shape the balls from blocks of ivory or wood, using lathes, chisels, and other hand tools. This process was time-consuming and prone to human error, resulting in variations in the quality and performance of the balls. The rise of automation. The advent of modern manufacturing techniques and machinery has transformed the production of snooker balls. Today, the process is highly automated, with computer-controlled machines performing tasks such as molding, curing, and polishing with unparalleled precision. Automation has not only increased the efficiency and consistency of ball production, but also reduced costs, making high-quality snooker balls more accessible to players of all levels. Innovations in materials and design. Advancements in materials science and engineering have led to continuous improvements in the design and performance of snooker balls. Manufacturers are constantly experimenting with new materials and formulations to enhance the durability, consistency, and playability of the balls. For example, some modern balls incorporate additives that reduce static electricity, preventing the balls from clinging to each other during play. The cultural and economic impact of snooker balls. The global snooker industry. The production of snooker balls is a significant part of the global snooker industry, which includes equipment manufacturers, tournament organizers, and broadcasters. High-quality snooker balls are essential for professional tournaments, where the slightest imperfection can affect the outcome of a match. As a result, manufacturers invest heavily in research and development to produce balls that meet the exacting standards of professional players. The role of snooker balls in popular culture. Snooker balls have also made their mark on popular culture, appearing in films, television shows, and even art. The distinctive colors and patterns of snooker balls are instantly recognizable, making them a popular motif in design and fashion. Additionally, the sound of snooker balls colliding has become synonymous with the game, evoking a sense of nostalgia and excitement for fans. The ethical dimension. The transition from ivory to synthetic materials in the production of snooker balls reflects broader societal shifts towards ethical and sustainable practices. The use of ivory in billiard and snooker balls contributed to the decline of elephant populations, prompting calls for a ban on the trade of ivory. The adoption of synthetic materials has not only addressed these ethical concerns, but also set a precedent for other industries to follow. The future of snooker balls, innovations and trends, sustainable materials. As environmental concerns continue to grow, there is increasing interest in developing sustainable materials for snooker balls. Researchers are exploring the use of biodegradable plastics and other eco-friendly materials that can offer the same level of performance as traditional phenolic resin. These innovations could pave the way for a more sustainable future for the sport. Smart technology. The integration of smart technology into snooker balls is another area of potential innovation. Imagine balls embedded with sensors that can track their movement, speed, and spin in real time, providing players with valuable data to improve their game. While this technology is still in its infancy, it holds exciting possibilities for the future of snooker. Customization and personalization. As with many other industries, there is a growing trend towards customization and personalization in the world of snooker. Players may soon be able to order balls tailored to their specific preferences, such as custom colors, weights, and designs. This could add a new dimension to the game, allowing players to express their individuality and enhance their playing experience. The origins of snooker balls are a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of human innovation. From the humble beginnings of wooden balls to the precision-engineered phenolic resin spheres of today, the evolution of snooker balls reflects the broader history of the sport itself. As we look to the future, the continued pursuit of excellence in materials science and manufacturing promises to bring even more exciting developments to the world of snooker. Whether you're a professional player or a casual enthusiast, the story of snooker balls is a fascinating journey through time, technology, and tradition.